Life isn't suffering because the world is unfair. Life is suffering because you refuse to carry your share of the weight. You're lost. Not because the world is cruel, but because you refuse to carry the responsibility that would make you strong. Jordan Peterson said it best, pick up the heaviest thing you can, and carry it. Because when you refuse responsibility, you become soft. You become fragile. And the world eats fragile men alive. The modern world sold you a lie. That comfort is happiness. That safety is success. That avoiding responsibility is freedom. But comfort doesn't make you free. It makes you weak. It makes you a slave to your impulses. Peterson warns us, if you let chaos run your life, if you refuse to take control, your soul will rot. Not because you failed, but because you never tried. Every moment you choose laziness over discipline, every moment you hide instead of facing life, you dig your own grave. The strongest men are not the ones with money, status, or fame. They are the ones who look chaos in the eye, and bring order to it. Responsibility is not a burden. It's a gift. When you carry the weight, you stop being a victim. You stop blaming your past, your parents, the system, the government. You say, enough. The world is broken, but I will fix my corner of it. That's power. That's strength. And that is what creates meaning. Peterson teaches, without responsibility, life has no depth. You drown in shallow pleasures, in addictions, in distractions. But when you carry responsibility, you stand tall, even in suffering. Listen carefully. Life is suffering. There's no escaping it. Your family will suffer. Your body will fail. Your dreams will collapse. And if you are soft, you will collapse too. But if you are strong, if you embrace the suffering, if you carry the weight, the suffering transforms you. The pain makes you unbreakable. That's why Peterson says, the purpose of life is not to be happy. The purpose is to bear the heaviest burden you can and find meaning in it. So here's the truth. The world doesn't need weaker men. It doesn't need softer voices. It doesn't need more excuses. It needs men who carry their load. Men who speak truth. Men who stand against chaos. Stop running from your responsibilities. Stop numbing your pain with distractions. Stop waiting for someone else to fix your life. Pick up the weight. Face the suffering. And transform into the man you were meant to be. Because that's what Jordan Peterson has been screaming to us for years. Discipline. Responsibility. Strength. That's destiny.